There, I'm Danielle Gauna, and I'm the Quality Assurance Manager here at Valley Techlogic. We're a technology service provider here in the Central Valley, and we provide technical support and assistance for local area businesses. Today, I wanted to give you a preview of our cybersecurity book, Cybersecurity Essentials. I have a copy here, and you should be seeing some snippets of the book to my right. What this book covers is all the criteria needed to be compliant with the cybersecurity framework, in this case, CIS, or Center for Internet Security. Depending on what sector your business is in, you may already be familiar with cybersecurity frameworks, such as HIPAA for medical businesses, or for those who work with government contracts, CMMC. The truth is, the cybersecurity frameworks are more alike than they are different. And if you meet the criteria for one, you likely meet the criteria for the others. Our book offers guidance and strategies for becoming a cybersecurity framework compliant in your business, and you can request a free copy today by clicking on the link below. If after reading our book, you would like to learn more about how Valley Techlogic can help you with your cybersecurity goals, we can help you by scheduling a free virtual consultation. Thank you for your time.